All right, guys, I wanted to do a full review here for you on this rooftop bar light that I got off of Amazon. So first, here's everything that comes in the box. You get the double-sided light that has that cigarette lighter, car adapter. You get the controller, an extra plug in there, and the two magnets for the sides and some clips. To install it all together, it's very simple. There's just two screws on each side, depending on which direction you want to put these magnets. Do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go. And to install it, it's just magnets and rubber suction cups. They are so strong. I was extremely impressed on how strong these were. Once it was on, there was actually almost impossible to get it off. So you can, but just make sure you put it in the right spot. And then here's the controller. You can actually pick everything from the different modes it has. You can customize modes. Those green lights on the top are telling you what the light bar is actually doing, which I thought was cool. And then all the different patterns it has. You'll see it has 26 different patterns on here, which is awesome. And they're all controlled from this controller. You can go through all of them, which I'll show you that in a second what it looks like. And then the power button last. You can turn it on and off from inside the truck as well. And then here's all the lights, how they work, the different patterns. I'm just going to let it run through, but you can see how absolutely bright this thing is. It lit up my entire driveway and house. I was super impressed with it. And there are just a ton of different modes depending on what you want it to do. Anywhere from strobes from left to right, flashing, solid. And again, these magnets on there, they were so strong. I've never had issues as far as going on the freeway or anything where it even moves an inch at all. It's in the exact same spot I put it in when I installed it. So very happy with that, but I'm just going to keep letting these lights run through. Again, I'm just controlling this all from the inside of my truck. The video doesn't even really do it justice how nice and bright these are, just because it was hard to focus on the lights with my camera here just because they were so bright and vivid. But I'm just going to keep letting it run through again just to show you all the different styles. I'm clicking through really quickly inside the truck. That's why they're changing so often. You can just leave it on one for as long as you want. So different strobing options. Again, you can go just white, just red. You can see right there. Switching between the two. They basically just have every option possible on this thing, which I thought was awesome. So many to choose from. And then it goes back to the solid. So really happy with these lights. Great quality. Hope this helps anyone looking at them.